It's me mama bumbo clot. So, hold on there. Smoke and blood clot big. Party so there. So hold on there. From Christmas, past Christmas, until now, me mama bumbo wall. Me mama draws. Then hold on there. Wanna put up some story up there. When you come tell the people themselves, them drop Foota hype, drippy mouth boy, then drop him case. Yeah, and them gonna get out before Christmas. Cause lie at them have everything under control. No so no come tell we, uno mama bumbo wall no so no come tell we no Ross. Foota hype, which part your bumbo clot there boy? Me say kiss me Ross clot. Let me kiss me teeth. Me say kiss me Ross piece. Me say hold on there. Jippy my boy Foota hype. Me mama bumbo clot. Your maga done by now. When you come out to any matter now, go remember who you is. Your maga done by now. I know. You pretty much got used to the pussy clot bologna sandwich them and the pussy clot Kool-Aid with them served down there. And the pussy clot bag of chips them where you and yam. Boy, you lose one heap of weight. And the amount of push up them and the amount of sit up so you do every blood clot night, boy. How much time a pussy clot there you take shower? 5 times a day? You bumbo will use a bitch. Boy, how the bumbo clot you come in a big old American country and you go pan ship to pussy clot, go dance and all type of sitting to pussy clot and suck out pussy pan ship. Boy, and to Ross clot. Boy, you get locked the fuck up. It don't make no sense. No, sir. It don't make no sense a pussy clot. No Tony Mataran come say, so Tony Mataran, you dig up put some more money pan in bumbo clot books. Cause as far as me see to pussy clot, nobody no buy you no Christmas present a bumbo Ross clot. Spice no buy you no Christmas present. None of them, Bounty Killer, none of them no buy you no Christmas present. Some of them afraid to talk and call you Ross clot name. Cause them afraid the people them might come find them and lock up for them bumbo clot too. Boy, no make no sense. You fucking idiot. And when you come out to pussy clot, pussy wall hello. You's a fucking idiot boy. And that we serve us on right. So when you're there in the bumbo clot American country, you have to have a fucking job. Your blood clot you. And don't come here for visiting pussy clot passport and visa pussy and think you're a foreigner. You're not foreigner like us. You bumbo wall, you got to go to work and make money and pay your fucking dues. Boy, Foota hype, me say you bumbo wall, you. Now see them there, now sit back to pussy clot. There must a lot of mercy, them and then take some Foota hype, they'll come out. Foota hype, it coming like say, them up. Pack your scandal bag for your bumbo clot fish and you're right back down there. Boy, you bumbo wall, you don't make no blood clot sense, bitch. No sense. Yes, people. For the job, I'm not going to want to carry warm up a little bit before we make a move. You know, make no blood clot sense. When you put up video up, they say the man soon come out. The man will come out, such and such. Now, still blood clot New Year come in there to pussy clot and pussy wall New Year. I go catch you in there, you know. New Year, me send the New Year 2 days before New Year pussy wall and New Year. I go catch you in there to blood clot. New Year, I go catch you in there. And guess what? When it touch 2020, then everybody don't lose them blood clot mind. You are fucked. Me say when it touch 2020, every motherfucker going to lose their mind, including them blood clot people. Because you is a fucking Mexican, and Mexican not supposed to be in the motherfucking country. If you're not in the country legal, you cannot be in the motherfucking country illegal. You is a fucking Mexican. Foota jippy mouth boy. You is a fucking Mexican. Don't make no sense. Bumbo clot Mexican, now see we didn't do Mexican them. When they catch them in a blood clot place illegal to pussy clot, then lock up them bumbo clot. And keep them in the field long pussy clot time and then deport them bumbo clot. You's a fucking Mexican boy. That no make no rascal sense, boy. You know make no fucking sense, none at all. Me no know how the fuck. Me no know how the fuck. My youth. Say, you jump the blood clot wall. After people them tell us, say, don't jump the blood clot wall. Now you jump the blood clot wall now. And now you blood clot come. And in the bomb clot country. I do the illegal work them in the blood clot country. Cause illegal work you do in the country, you know, boy. Now see they know to pussy clot. You work to pussy clot and you work and get pay underneath the bomb clot table. Boy? Because he's a fucking Mexican. Me say what a lawful dear. Me say boy, boy you can't deny country. I take away everybody blood clot work. Boy, you in a fucking country I take away everybody blood clot work. You work for cheap. You know work and collect what you're supposed to collect like everybody else. I mean you illegal. See it? Every place you go to pussy clot and every lie you tell to pussy clot. Now see that now? You use a fucking Mexican because you're there in that country now I try marry girl there. We are trying marry girl for things that work. That no work. You bumbo clot you. Then I jump to not a Ross. If you jump the blood clot wall, guess what? You cannot stay in the fucking country. You're a fucking Mexican. Bumbo clot. If people a long time a blood clot people need to speak the truth. I wanna now speak the blood clot truth. When a bumbo clot, you know, they pick up a boy and I do a bag of bumbo clot fuckery and I tell the boy say simple means say he's a fucking Mexican. You's a fucking Mexican. You know make no fucking sense, boy. Bumbo clot Mexican then I fucking country run up and down and up on social media and I know say Donald Trump look for your bumbo clot. You know make no sense. Boy, bumbo clot. Fuck. Then they go put a fast story up there and talk about say to pussy clot. How the bumbo clot how you get out and all these other bumbo clot shit and appear blood clot lie them a tell. Boy, you know make no bumbo clot sense. The government now go take care of you in a blood clot jail. Appear below the sandwich you get in your bumbo clot. You fucking idiot. Then a blood clot country and I talk a bag of fuckery and I ask the body man them for blood clot help because them send your message and all type of sitting. Boy, you need clapping on your bumbo hole. And no say you's a fucking Mexican. Bumbo clot. I for a long time I know say you're blood clot Mexican car. Only Mexican one tan so. Only Mexican one tan so. It don't make no sense. You see it? I used to be a laugh guys so funny no pussy clot car. Yes, you's a fucking Mexican. You know me no rascal sense. Now you see them deport you same one. See them deport a bunch of Mexican back to Jamaica. Because they in a blood clot country legal. And then blood clot deport them bumbo clot right back down there. And you see one to pussy clot that shit off your mouth that talk about see now. Then some of them boy they need to have them sitting right and we all see them now you are one of blood clot Mexican them. You bumbo clot yo. And straight down there them a send you them a pack your little bag. Your little scandal bag. You bumbo clot yo. You know when no sense you in a blood clot country and you in a country and you not do nothing fucking constructive. Your bumbo clot your boy soon come out. Soon come out. They don't come with a blood clot same. Uno fi stop tell people blood clot lies. You know make no sense. Bumbo clot. Uno come and put up video and talk about this Mexican boy I come out of jail and he soon come out and he might come out before Christmas. He might go see the Christmas. Make a pray for him. Pray for him bumbo clot. After them pray for none of the Mexican them when they get deported back to Jamaica. Because they up here do a bag of blood clot fuckery and not pay them blood clot dues and not have no work fit do and not take care of them pussy clot pitney. Then come up here, they want married and just like a fucking Mexican, then can see a blood clot Mexican then come in a country, then jump the bomber clot wall like this idiot here, and then come in a bomber clot country and they want married. Married girl fi stay in a country. You can't do that. You bomber clot you. Fucking idiot. Now see your Mexican friend Tony Mataran say come put some money, some token for your bumbo clad books. And then the little token they will put for your books, you can't call nobody big superstar, call no big superstar and go put no money up for you. No, me and somebody come say me I talk about say they have go fund for you. Go fund for your mama bumbo. You know no go fund. Your blood clot you. Cause you same one to pussy clot catch you, your bad mind and ras clot in a boy. You same one. I go come and come say how much people ain't help you all when them blood clot help you. You fucking germs. I just like how when they crippling pussy clot and in a real chair. You know see that picture there, that video there? When they crippling bomber clot and put him in a wheelchair to pussy clot and the pussy well couldn't move and he will out a drip and they couldn't even help stop it drip. Doctor tell him say I'm on dripping problem. Cause you know I shine and wine out in face to pussy clot and put dirty wine in their mouth. You see it? And he won't stop drip. You see it? This fucking germs. Why is that germs? You bomber clot you? I'm fucking Mexican. How the fuck you gonna be a fucking Mexican and think you can go get away by being on the blood clot in a country? See me going to Art Zone and then go get you some parts for your mouth. Your bum clot you. People. I put in the pampers. Yes, me people. Yeah man. Don't know a thing set all about the Benjamins. You see me I say? Because if it's not about the Benjamins, what it's gonna be about? You get what me I say? I found a boy where run to Jamaican people think can study me and bumbo clot. You see me? It's all about living in the American country and make them bumbo clot money, you know. Yeah, you have to make the American money, because if me bring all this a little bit of me having for me and to bumbo clot, you know how much that is down in Jamaica? A big money them here, you know. Oh, you fuck. If you not make them a type of money, yeah, with the White House, and the blood clot president, guess what? You can't chat to Jamaican. Pay! You see me I say? That's what it's all about, me Dan. You have to make money, man. Make money put in your blood clot pockets. Yeah, when you're in an American country, you have to work. You have to pay your dues. I telling the boy a long time, I sit down there and I telling the boy, listen to me. When I think, yeah, make him tap in knife and boy they want like a fool. All them the day you pop him blood clot out and him not talk about nothing. Yeah. Yeah, me always I tell them. Yeah. But you know, listen. I don't figure say that boy they don't know him I talk about, you know. I pay fucking come on social media and I talk and I do, you know. Yeah. But I because I can't blood clot study me. Yeah. The truth hurt to no pussy clot. Fuck you know. Truth hurt to no. This Mexican bomber clot boy to pussy clot in a pussy clot country legal to bomber clot. And in a country for so long to bomber clot and know say you're supposed to go back where your bomber will come from. Your boy, you're too show off. Yeah, and that's your problem. That was your first mistake. You're too pussy clot show off. You're bossy. Yes, boy, Foota shit. You're bossy. And that's your bumbo clot problem, youth. You see if your name bossy, so, and you're in a foreign, you know, you really can bumbo clot show off pan man and man. Because you're the rich part, Tony Mataran there. And Ray, only can link up kite on a DJ. And Ray. Yeah, you're too blood clot bossy. You know, pay for be bossy dog. You see it? You know, pay for be bossy. No found no boy bossy, no blood clot. Soon as you get on a plane flight and come in America, you know, bossy. Nobody can chat to you. You bumbo clot, you. You too blood clot bossy, you're a Mexican boy. How the fuck you know say in a blood clot country legal to blood clot and you're so pussy clot bossy? Shut! You know your mama bumbo clot and you know make the Benjamins them up here. I talk about your work. So I wanna go embassy ta. I wanna go embassy ta to pussy clot and lie on a lie to the blood clot embassy ta to the embassy ta say wanna come up and come blood clot work. I wanna come up and come work. I wanna come up and come go and do a bag of fuckery. And your mouth a bag of pussy. And that to come up and come do. Fucking worthless. Una fucking germs. No make no blood clot sense. As they say police them out here and say you have a whole speed to their Sunday so and you know say New Year coming they want to make them little quarters. So you have to watch them and you have to really want to speed. No make no sense Mexican. Yeah. Mexican they no make no blood clot sense. You can't come in a bomb clot country and do a bag of fuckery. What you fucking you do? I know say you're illegal in my blood clot country. No make no fucking sense man. You're a big man to pussy clat and you have bumbo clat pitting in a bumbo clat country. Instead of you find one little job to pussy clat if you know so you're not spin no bumbo clat record. You know go find one little sit if you do man. Some of the boy can't not think straight. You feel like say if you come in a country and work at one little Burger King or one little McDonald's or one little blood clat grocery store and shit. Uno can't do that because guess what no better than that. I eat that dog. You see, I sweetest thing when if people them let you come in the country, you know. And then look on them the application and say you at work and you just come in the country for a couple months to pussy clat and you go find job do. People them like to see that. See? People them like to say you have to work, pay those dog. See, you can't do in a blood clot country and then you depend on social media do a bag of fuck with a bumbo clot and then when you get locked the fuck up, then come put bumbo clot fast story upon you and talk about you come out. You now come out and nowhere. Bumbo clot and in the middle of the blood clot here, them will find out, see them will send you back to Jamaica. You fuck. Word for say, your blood clot girl, when you call yourself they don't married. The same girl to pussy clot turn her back on you to pussy clot and know say you was a Mexican. And say not a bumbo Ross clot. Him a got bumbo clot jail. Yeah, you got jail. And then some of the boy, uno sound like Tommy Lee. Some of the boy uno feel like say, uno feel have a couple girl on the side because if you not have a couple girl on the side, it better that way and the girl won't have a yard, not, you know? Now go have nothing to say. And the girl a yard supposed to stand by on the same way. No, the blood clot girl your blood clot yeah, that she go lose her blood clot mind. The fuck you mean? Or you feel have a girl a yard and spend more time with the side bitch. And when you go a yard you know to pussy clot, a girl where you have a yard is smartest one. The girl where you have a yard is education one. And the one where you have on the side to pussy clot to pay dick she want suck. Some of the boy a real punk. Bumbo clot, you don't have no sense and Tommy they a fucking idiot too. When you sit down there talk about blood clot, girl this and girl that and how man fi have a second girl and boy tap your bumbo clot nice and easy go catching your bumbo clot. See? Easy go catching your ass boy. Sometimes that's why enough of women lose all some girl, you know. Some good girl, some smart girl, you know. And go pick up one little dummy to blood clot. All that the dummy they know if you just fuck good and suck good. That's it. Bumbo clot and you spend your money. When you make a blood clot smart girl gone. And another man got the smart girl. Fuck. Some of the boy now think. A smart girl and if a blood clot start fuck. Bumbo clot you know see. Hey, for me girl, when me have a smart blood clot girl that she not dummy. Oh. Some of the boy a fuck some dummy pussy. Them girl they wanna fuck, them not smart. Some of them talk about side girl, you know idiot. A girl them, some little dummy girl them. Dummy them. Bumbo clot, them girl they not have no skills, no brain. No brain. And majority of blood clot girl these days and I dick them want suck off and suck some pussy. A real shit that. Oh. Remember that blood clot shit where Jamaican people tell you. Some of the boy I talk about say, ooh. Me no blame no man for keep what if a girl, you know. A girl him for keep me rather say a youth keep what if a girl down have a man a fuck him in him body. Or you fuck a man. You see it? Yeah, me rather say, oh, you keep what if a girl but you can't put yourself out there and a rare and expect